Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into Chrome so your credentials tie to your Google account. Once signed in, open Settings and navigate to Sync and Google Services. Enable sync immediately so data can flow. Make sure you select either everything or specifically passwords to avoid syncing unwanted items. This step links your device to cloud storage and prepares Chrome to save and sync logins across devices. It's necessary so subsequent steps actually propagate passwords to your other signed-in device. Next, you configure how Chrome handles passwords on this device. Go to Autofill right arrow passwords and enable Save Passwords plus Auto Sign-In if you want seamless logins. Once done, open Manage Passwords to review saved entries, remove old ones, or correct usernames. This ensures clean data sync. Make sure to pick an encryption option, either your Google account or a custom sync passphrase, because encryption controls who can decrypt synced passwords and protects data if you're Finally, verify that passwords arrived on your other devices by confirming each device is signed into the same Google account and has sync enabled. Once that's confirmed, test by signing into a site on another device. Make sure Chrome offers the saved login. If something fails, toggle sync off and on, check you entered the same custom passphrase if you used one, and update Chrome. These actions resolve most syncing problems rapidly. If still stuck, sign out and sign back in to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.